Good day everyone, you are welcome to GeoGIS Solution Tutorial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install ArcGIS Desktop 10.8. A lot of people has been encountering problem after installation. Therefore, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to install ArcGIS Desktop 10.8 without encountering any problem. So let's get started. In this folder, I have the setup of ArcGIS 10.8. So the first thing to do, since it is a zip file, we are going to extract it. And to do that, just right click it and click on extract file. So click on OK. This will take few seconds to extract the file. Yes, the extraction is done. So double click to open the folder. And inside this folder, you can see two more files that are zip. We have the activations and we have the ArcGIS Desktop 10.8. So what we are going to do is to extract these two files as well. So to do that, let me extract this by right clicking and click on extract file. Click on OK. So this will take just few seconds to extract it. The extraction is done. So we are going to extract the activation file as well. Just right click and click on extract file. Click on OK. So it has been extracted. Now let's start the installation process. To start the installations, I will suggest that you off your Windows security. One of the reasons why sometimes the installation fails or after installation the software doesn't run properly is because of the window defender, which usually eats up some file. So to do that, you can just go to search bar and search for the window defender. So Windows security, click to open it. When it's open, come to virus and threat protection. Then scroll down and come to virus and threat protection settings. Click on the manage settings. And here, this real-time protections and cloud deliver protection. So uncheck all this. Uncheck this. Click yes. So uncheck the cloud deliver protection. Scroll down and uncheck this automatic sample submission. Uncheck all, and then you can now close this page. So let's start the installation proper. The first file to install is this ArcGIS Desktop 10.8. To install it, double click, and here is the installation file. So to start the installation, double click it. Click on next. So it will start unpacking the files, and this may take a while to unpack the files and extract it to your computer before the installation can start. Yes, it has been successfully unpacked. So make sure you check this box which says launch the setup program. So when you click on close, the setup installation will start proper. So click on close. Click yes. It will bring this page. Click next. Accept the master agreement and click next. So choose complete and click next. Click next. Click next. You can uncheck this and click on install. So now the installation proper has started, and this will take several minutes. It can take about 30 to 45 minutes depending on your system capacity. So you need to make sure your system is connected to power source and wait patiently for the installation to complete. it is a series of installations, so you have to patiently wait for it. So allowing every installation stages to complete will guarantee the efficient working of the software. So at no time should you cancel any process. Allow the process to run on its own. This will guarantee proper functioning of the application after installation. Yes, the installation of the ArcGIS Desktop 10.8 is successfully installed. So click on Finish. It may bring this page, so just close it. If it brings this page, just close it. Then move back a step or 2 steps. Come to the second stage, which is this activation folder. Double click to open it. Then here in this folder, you will find this AF core file. So right click and copy. Then come to the start icon. So normally you should find the new install application in the recently installed file. If you can't find it, just scroll down and come to this folder, ArcGIS. Click to expand it, and here you will see the ArcMap 10.8. So right click and come to more. Then click on open file location. So here is the file location. Right click again and click on open file location. Then when it opens, right click and paste the AF core file you copied. Click on replace the file in the destination. Click on continue. Yes, it is done. So now close all these pages. Then come back to start and come to ArcGIS. Scroll down and you can see ArcMap 10.8. Click to launch it. You can see ArcGIS 10.8 is initializing the application. Yes, because I'm not online, that's why it's showing this notification. Yes, let me close this page. Here is the interface of ArcMap 10.8. You can see it opened successfully. After installation, there is a few settings you need to put in place. Come to customize and come to extensions. So when it opens, make sure you check all these extensions: 3D Analyst, ArcScan, most especially Spatial Analyst tool. This is very necessary that you check all, so that by the time you are running analysis, you will not run into any problem. But you can see this is how to successfully install ArcGIS 10.8 without encountering any issue, and it will run smoothly if you follow these step-by-step instructions. So if you like this video, buy me a coffee. Thank you for watching.